All right, let's get straight to it. 2014 Chevy Cruze. This is the 1.4 liter engine. All right, so this is when a hose clamp tool like this will come in handy. This is what we're gonna need. So this goes on the side of the hose clamp and tightens down as you squeeze that that plier handle. It will tighten down and squeeze the hose clamp, because there's no other way to really get down in here the way that's orientated. There's no way to get down in there without moving a lot of parts. So I'm going to try to use this first to get down in there. All right, so I got the hose out, so I want to show you how I got it. So this hose clamp is in there awkward like that, and you really can't get in there with the pliers. So that's what this tool is for. So I was able to go up underneath just like that and latch it on there, and as you pull and you squeeze the handle, then this part here ratchets up a little bit and until it squeezes this like your pliers would, and you can see how it's holding it on there. So right now this is actually being held open. All right, so I got the new hose and I have the clamp on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this new hose on, and once the clamp is in place, I'll just release this button down here on this handle, and that would tighten up the clamp, and I can just pull this pliers out. So we need to go ahead and get that right down there. So now you can see that this hose clamp is on now, and it's facing straight up, so it's easy to get to it if I need to get to it in the future.